Don't you just hate washing your beauty blenders, but you want them to look sparkling and perfect every time? Just look at how clean these look, and I've definitely used them more than once, but I found a way to clean them in a very fast manner to make them look sparkling and fresh. Let me show you how. Let's go. So the supplies you're going to need would be dish detergent, your dirty beauty blenders, and your brush cleaning pad. It has all the ribs and nubs on it. So I like to saturate everything. Saturate your beauty blenders, saturate the pad, and then add a generous amount of the dish detergent onto your pad. And then watch what happens next. Just give it a generous swish swish, and look, it's already starting to take off a thick layer, a majority of the makeup off of the beauty blender within seconds. And all you got to do is squeeze the remainder out. If you feel like it's not coming out all the way, you're going to squeeze some more soap, go in for a second rinse, and look at this one here. Coming straight off within seconds, literally less than 10 seconds. In seconds. And you can literally go in and rinse a couple times if you feel like it, but this is how I do my beauty blenders, and I usually have a lot of them by the end of the week when it's time for me to clean them. And I find that this is a lot faster because it digs into the sponge itself and really weeds out all of the old makeup. I think this is a lot faster and a lot easier than, you know, rinsing it, massaging it with your hands, and then squeezing it out. Like, I just look at the results. And it's a pink beauty blender, and majority of the makeup comes off of it. I find that cleaning, you know, your makeup brushes, your beauty blenders, whatever you use, I find it very like mundane and annoying. So the fact that I found this little mini hack that works for me, I think it's perfect. Look how pink that is. It basically looks brand new. Like, we're never going to be able to get our sponges back to, like, you know, the first day that we open them. But I feel like this method does a really good job of deep cleaning it. And then you could just take your time to rinse out all the soap. But I find it's a lot faster, and I don't have to soak my hands in water for, like, ever. In the meantime, between time, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments down below if you thought this hack was helpful, if you have any other hacks that you want to share you think I should showcase on here, or if there's any other videos you guys want to see me put out. But definitely do not forget to share this video with everybody you know, your mom, your cousin, your aunt, your uncle. Y'all know the shebang. So they came out clean and beautiful, just like I promised you, in like less than 5 minutes. Swear to you, it took me about 15 to 25 seconds to clean each beauty blender. And I feel like using the padded brush scrubber thingamajiggy like enables you to really scrub out all of the excess foundation and grease without like doing the absolute most, like with the least manual labor. So comment below, let me know if you like this, let me know if it worked, let me know if you're gonna try it. Love to hear your guys' thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye.